The second method is to use a unique and dynamic formula called sum start to end the cell. Now let me show you how to deploy this formula. Now in Excel, for this method to be working, you need to copy paste the income statement for each state into one tab. So basically 6 states to 6 tabs, 30 states to 30 tabs. Some may say this is still labor intensive. Yes, it is, and I'm going to show you easier ways or advanced ways down the road in this course. Now for this method, let's suppose you copy paste the 6 reports into 6 tabs. Next, all you need to do is simply add 2 tabs. One is called Start, which is a blank tab, or you can give any name like number 1. And second tab, you put it at the end of these 6 tabs. You can assign name and or any name that you want. This setup is simply to tell Excel to sum up everything between start and end tabs. Now let's write the formula. In cell B6, to add up the revenues of all 6 states, let's write equal sum start, that's the starting point of the tab name, and that's the ending point of this tab name, and then exclamation mark, which denotes that it's a tab name. And then cell B6, because we line up with all tabs of the individual state tabs, and parenthesis, press enter. And this sums up all the numbers from the 6 tabs for revenues. And we can copy this formula down, Control C, Control V, and we can paste the formula only in order to preserve the formatting. This second method is very dynamic. The reason being, if you only want to add up the revenue for, let's say, 3 states, California, Florida, and Illinois, you do not need to rewrite your formula. All you need to do is simply slide the ending point after Illinois. And when you come back to the formula, you have the revenue for only 3 states. And you can do the same combination of states to wherever you want to sum. You can drag some states out so that you can only sum 4 states or vice versa. So this formula is very dynamic. It allows you to slice and dice and try to understand what's the sum of a number of states or all states.